Hello, I'm Abhishek Dangayach from AptiMania Institute, and in this video, I'm going to discuss with you reasoning section of CLAT 2019 paper. So let's start. The first question is, if an English alphabet E and every alternate letter from E onwards is written in capital, then how will 6 months from March will be coded? Now we know that 6 months from March is September. Fine. So we need to find the code for September. Further, every letter starting from E. Now, the position of E is 5. So, every letter starting from E, that means every alternate letter. So, that means the letters at odd position. So, 7, 9, 11, and so on. So, 7 page, the letter is G. So, for the 9 page, I, and so on. Okay. So, what we need to do is, we need to code them in capital. For the letters at even positions, for example, B, it would be written as B only. For example, J comes at position number 10, it will be written as J only. If it is small c, it will be written as small j only. Fine. So this is the question. This is a very simple question. So what we need to do is, I will do one thing. I will write the position number below the letter so that it would be easy for us to solve this question. Now S comes at position number 19, E comes at 5. Now the position of P is 16, T is 20, E is 5, M is 13, B is 2, E is 5 again, and then R is 18. So we need to code this letter in capital, this letter, and this letter. We need to code these 4 letters, in fact first one also, these 5 letters in capital. Now S will be in capital in our answer, E will be in capital, then P and T will be in small. Fine. Now next is E will be in capital, 13 M will be in capital, then B will be in small, E again will be in capital, and then R. So I think S, E, M, and E. S, E, E, M, and E. So the B option is the correct one. Fine. So this is a very easy question. So moving to next question. If in a certain code, clever is written as XOVEVI. So the code for the word clever is XOVEVI. So I will tell you one easy method to solve this question. What you need to do is just simply write the position number below the letter. So the position number of C is 3. For that of L is 12. For E is 5. For V it is 22. For E is 5. And for R it is 18. And the position of X is 24. O is 15. This is how much? 22. V is 22. E is 5. V again is 22. And I is 9. So you will see that total of these two numbers is coming out to be 27. Here also it is 27. Here also it is 27, and so on. So this is the logic of this question. Now we need to find the code for the word smart. Now smart. Now S comes at position number 19. So here it should be 8 to make the sum as 27. M is 13, so here it should be 14. A is 1, so here it should be 26. R is 18, so here it should be 9. And T is 20, so here it should be 7. Now 8 is H. The position of H is 8. That of N is 14, Z comes as 26, I at 9, and G as 7. So the answer to this question is option B, HNZIG. Moving to third question of this set. Okay, this was very easy one. Q4RT. Next missing term we need to find out. QRT6, QR7, and then T. Q8RT. Now you will see we are just rearranging the letters and we are increasing the number by 1. So our answer should be some rearrangement of QRT with 5 number in between them. So only B option has 5 number in between them. So our answer is option B. Next question. Again, very easy one. So we need to fill this blank. Now see, the difference between 257 and 291 is 34. Difference between these two numbers is 40. So suppose here is the number X. So यहाँ पर यदि उनका difference 36 और यहाँ पर 38 हो जाता है, so this will make a logical series. Fine. So we need to have a number over here which is 36 more than 91 or which is 38 less than 365. The answer from both the case will be same, and the answer will be 327. Fine. So the answer to this question is 327, option C. Question number 145. Manoj walks a certain distance, a distance of 5 meters towards north. So let me start the question along with. So Manoj starts from this point. Let this point be A. He covers a distance of 5 in north direction. Now he's facing toward north. Let this point be B. Then he turns to east and walks a distance of 10. So he turns towards east and covers a distance of 10. And all the distances are in meters. Fine. Then he turns to his right and covers a distance of 15 meters. Now, right from here will be in south direction. So then he turns to his right and covers a distance of 15. So now he's facing south. And then he turns to his left. Now he is facing south. So his left will be our right. So he will take a turn in this direction and covers a distance of 15 again. Now, in which direction is he facing? So he is facing east only. So the correct answer is option B, that is east. 146. Question based on blood relation. A man introduces a girl as the daughter of sister of his father. So let us start this question from back side. आप लोग को ये trick मैंने बता रखा है. So let's start this question from back side. So his father. So we are talking about man and then his father. So this person is man's father. Then of the sister of his father. So we are talking about sister of this father. यहाँ पे इनकी father की sister आ चुकी हैं. And daughter. So इनकी daughter होंगी यहाँ पे. और ये वो girl हैं जिनकी वो बात कर रहे थे. Now the question is, how is the girl related to the man? How is the girl related to the man? They are cousins. So the correct answer is option D, that is cousin. Fine. So now this is very easy method to solve question. These type of question on blood relation, what you need to do is you need to start from back side. Fine. That will make the question quite easy for you. So moving to question number 147. Okay, based on arrangement, you can say tabular arrangement. So P and Q are good in driving motorcycle and jeep. So here it is motorcycle, this is jeep, this is this is lorry, this is bus, and this is tempo. Fine. Now these are the name of the individuals. Now P and Q are good in driving motorcycle and jeep. So I will put a tick over here. So P is good in motorcycle and jeep, and Q is also good in motorcycle and jeep. R and P are good in driving jeep and lorry. R and P, jeep and lorry. So for P we have already taken J. So R and P are good in J and L. So we need to take L as well for P. And J and L both for R. RST are good in driving motorcycle and lorry. RST in motorcycle and RST in lorry. T and R are good in driving bus and tempo. So T and R are good in driving bus and tempo. T and R. तो यहाँ पे हमने टिक कर दिया है. ठीक है. S and Q are good in driving bus and jeep. S and Q, these two are good in driving bus. So bus में टिक करते हैं दोनों में, and jeep. So jeep we have already have a tick for at this J for Q. तो यहाँ पर भी एक tick आ जाए. So in this way, all the arrangement is complete. Now let us move to the question part. The first question is, who is good in driving motorcycle, lorry, and tempo? M, L, and T. M, L, and T. So I think P is not the one. उसका T में tick नहीं है, Q भी नहीं हो सकता है. R can be the one, fine, or T can also be the one. So the answer could be either R or T, but R is not in the option. So the correct answer is option C, that is T. Who is good in driving motorcycle, jeep, and lorry? So motorcycle, jeep, and lorry. M, J, and L. So P is the answer. Fine. Then, acha, but not bus. So we cannot mark R as answer because R bus भी drive कर सकते हैं. Fine. So the answer should be P, option C. Fine. So question number 149. Who is good in driving tempo, motorcycle, lorry, but not jeep? Tempo, motorcycle, lorry, but not jeep. So we can say that the answer should be T. T is good in all four except jeep. So the answer to this question is option B, that is T. Who is good in driving all the vehicles? So only R is the one who is having taken all the columns. So the answer to this question is option A, that is R. So again, this was a very easy question based on arrangement. So moving to next question of the set. Okay. The question is, in a bag there are some gold coins. In another bag there are 1/3 extra gold coins as compared to the first bag. So this is first bag, and let the number of coins in this bag be 3x. So the second bag has 1/3 extra. So the bag has 1/3 extra. Original तो होगा ही होगा, and 1/3 extra है. So the second bag has 4x. If the difference in number of gold coins in the first and second bag is 5, so we are given that 4x minus 3x is 5, or simply x is 5. Now if x is 5, then 3x become 15 and 4x become 20. So then how many coins are there in first bag? 15. Option D. Okay, so we need to find the next number of this series. So the series is 53, 50, 45, 38 and 29. Again, very easy question based on number series. The difference is of 3. The difference is of 5. Difference increases, becomes of how much? 7. Now here the difference is of how much? 9. So the difference is increase हो रहा है and the difference is of odd numbers only. So the next odd number will be 11. So if we subtract 11 from 29, our answer should be 18. So the correct answer to this question is option C, that is 18. Fine. Going to next question of the set of this paper, 20, 30, 42. Again, very basic question. 20, 30, 42, 56 and 72. Now see, the difference over here is of 10, then 12, then 14, then 16. So next it must be of 18 only. So 72 plus 18 makes it 90. So the correct answer is option B, that is 90. Okay, so rose, flower and plant. So there is a certain relationship in these three. We need to find the same relationship in flat, house and next. Now see, rose is a type of flower which is a part of plant, you can say. Now flat is a type of house which is part of a building. Fine, very easy question, very straightforward. So answer is option C, building. Next question, ocean. Now in the way ocean waves are related with ocean, in the same way what will be related to deserts? So obviously it won't be water, it won't be sand. Sand तब होता है जब यहाँ पर waves की जगह water होता. Fine, then it would have been the same relationship. Now desert, so we can say that sand dunes are related to desert in same way as waves with ocean. Again, a question based on, you can say, coding, decoding. So 1 into 7 is equal to 8. Now 2 into 7 is equal to 16. And 3 into 7 is given as 24. So first of all, we need to find the logic. कि क्या logic है इनमें? And then we need to find the value of 9 into 7. So see, the logic is straightforward. 7 into 1 plus 1. So 7 into 1 plus 1 will make it 8. Now 7 into 2 plus 2 will make it 14. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इस 7 को इस पर्टिकुलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके और यही नंबर वापस ऐड कर रहे हैं. 7 into 3 plus 3 will make it 24. So similarly 7 into 9 plus 9 will make it 72. Fine. What we are doing is 7 into this particular number और वही नंबर हम वापस ऐड भी कर रहे हैं. So the answer to this question is option B, that is 72. Okay, so next question, we need to find the odd one out. Onlookers, theater goers, queue and spectators. Now see, onlookers, theater goers and spectators. All the three are the ones who are going to see something. Fine, who want to see something. Now queue, as we all know, is a line of people. It's a line or sequence of people, right? So queue is the odd one out among them. Fine. Onlookers is synonym for spectators. You can say, you can use this in some sense. Fine. Theater goers. So those who are going to theaters are the one who are going there to watch some play or something like that. Fine. So Q is the one which is odd one out. Okay, 158 question. So question number 158, again based on odd one out series, heart, lungs, kidney, skin and liver. So see, this was a technical one. Although some can assume the answer to be skin, some can assume the answer to be something else, heart as well, because heart is the only organ that beats. Fine, skin is the outermost covering, whereas all other organs lie inside the body. But the answer to this question, based on some technicalities, was that is, just give me a second, heart. And why heart is the answer? Because all the remaining four are a part of our excretion system. They all helps in excretion in human body, whereas heart does not. So the answer to this question is option C, that is heart. Find the odd man out. Again, a question based on some website, name of the website. Now see, LexisNexis, Westlaw India, Manupatra.com, all the three are websites which are related to legal profession, or which are in some sense are related to legal. Whereas scholar.google.com is a general search engine. Fine. So this one is odd one out. So the correct answer to this question is A. Option A, scholar.google.com. Okay, find out the odd one out again. Symphony, orchestra, guitar, and mob. Now we know that symphony, orchestra, and guitar, all the three are in some sense related to music, whereas mob does not relates to music. So the odd one out is mob. Fine. So this was again an easy one. So in this part of video, I am covering till question number 160 only. That is the first 20 question. So the next 20 question of reasoning section, I will cover in the next video. So I hope this must be clear to all of you. Thank you so much for watching the video.